This morning, I witnessed a small moment that quietly touched my heart. Different kinds of birds were there, some sparrows, and others whose names I don't even know. But one thing was clear: they were waiting for food. Every day at this time, a Bangladeshi brother comes here and feeds them. But today, he didn't come. Time passed, the birds stayed, silent, patient, hopeful. Watching them, a question arose in my heart. Why should they suffer like this? Why should they wait in hunger? At that moment, my conscience wouldn't let me walk away. I went to a nearby shop, bought a loaf of bread, broke it gently into small pieces, and fed the birds. That simple act gave them food and gave my heart peace. That's when I realized kindness doesn't live in big actions, but in small moments when we choose to care.